That's
Okay.
fine. Okay, so hey everybody. I'm Irene Prewitt from Hannah Financial, and last year I decided that it was very, very important for me to continue to build additional streams of income within my credit repair business. So when I started out, I specifically did not name my company like Hannah Financial Credit Repair because I knew I wanted to add additional services or offer additional services besides just credit repair. So last year I met Miss Lacy, and she is the CEO of iTax Solutions. She has been professionally preparing taxes for over 10 years, and she trained me virtually how to start my own tax business, like how to get me up and going off the ground. So she walked me through everything that I needed to be walked through. And with her help and just working really hard, I was able to add an additional $30,000 to my revenue this past tax season. So, oh, Ambrea. So this tax season, there are a ton of changes. How do you think that that is going to affect the tax prep world?
With the additional changes in the tax preparation industry, it's going to be really important that taxpayers find a tax professional who is experienced with the new tax changes. Some returns may increase, some may decrease, but there are a lot of individuals around who pop up and say, hey, I'm doing taxes. And I get a lot of people who come to me that are like, yeah, I went to this place and they did my taxes. And, sometimes they make mistakes because they weren't trained properly and because they're just, trying to get quick money. But I've been around for a while. Irene, she's a professional as well. If this is something that you want to do, you definitely want to build a long-term relationship with your clients. If you already have a business that's in the financial industry, your clients already trust you. So if they already trust you, it's important to, add that additional stream of income and help them with their tax preparation. So between the both of us, you can definitely get the training that you need, the support that you need, and we can definitely help you get your clients taken care of.
Let's talk about the online course. So once people who are interested in the online course have completed the course, what will they be able to do?
So a lot of people ask, is there a specific like certification or anything like that to prepare taxes? Honestly, there's no specific certification. You're not going to be a certified tax professional or anything like that. I learned how to do taxes by hand, not with the software. So I actually went through like a 12-week class and I learned how to prepare them by hand. So um, thankfully, 10 years later, we have great software. We have digital platforms that make this a lot easier. And we're definitely going to, get through this rather quickly. You're not going to, even with the class, you're not going to, your first year with tax preparation, you're not going to know everything that there is to know about taxes. However, you will know a lot of good, just foundation, basic information. Um, yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about bank products. So one of the things that's really important as far as professional tax prep is that if you do prepare taxes legally, you can offer bank products to your clients. So can you tell me what those are?
So this year, we recently just got an update. Last year, if you used a bank product, you had the option as a taxpayer to ask your tax professional if you wanted to opt in for the advance. So there's an underwriting system that the bank uses to determine whether you qualify for the advance or not. So last year was up to $2,500. This year, it's up to $5,000, but I just got an email, which is exciting, this is a great marketing tool to market you as a tax professional, that they'll be increasing the advance to $6,000. So I'm excited about that. Yeah. So, if you file your taxes and you qualify, you can literally walk out of your tax professional's office with a check or, a prepaid card with up to $6,000 of your money prior to it actually fully being funded. So that's great. And after the holidays, a lot of people need money. We have to catch up on things. So it's really, really good.
Yeah, and then with the PATH Act, like they usually hold tax refunds until like the end of February.
Yeah, typically, yeah, they don't start actually processing those returns until February 15th, after February 15th. So if you qualify for the advance and you file your taxes, mid-January, once you receive all your tax documents, mid-January, late January, early February, you can get part of your money before, it even fully funds. So
And
that's
as a tax preparer with the bank products, they can also put their tax prep fee like on the back end. So instead of paying your tax professional upfront, like whatever their preparation fee is, you can pay them out of your return.
Absolutely, yeah. So once your tax professional, determines what your refund amount is, you don't have to pay out of pocket upfront. A lot of us, may not have that to pay that fee upfront. So the tax professional with the bank product, they're allowed to decrease, or I'm sorry, not decrease, to take that tax prep fee out, like you said, on the back end. And once you get your money, you don't owe your tax professional anything. You're free to go. Come back and we'll see you again next year.
Okay.
So, Irene's going to go over the information, or I'm sorry, okay, edit, just kidding. I'm not good at questions.
It's okay. Okay,
Um,
so if you guys are interested in taking the tax course, it includes, there's actually two different revenue split packages. So you will not have to obtain your own EFIN or bank products, which is basically what you need to be able to electronically file your tax returns directly with the IRS. And the bank products is how you get paid and the advances that you'll be able to offer to your clients. So that'll be covered in your course fee. All of the software that we use is cloud-based, so you can prepare taxes anywhere. You'll have access to a mobile app, so if your clients want to send you their information using their smartphone, they'll be able to do that. The software includes a refund calculator. You can run a completely paperless office. Like I had the returns that I did last year, I think I maybe had 4 physical files, and everybody else, everything was done electronically. You guys will receive basic tax preparation. So you'll know how to do the basic 1040, which is what everybody uses unless you're doing like C corps or S corps. But you'll be able to do like 99% of tax returns that come across your desk. You'll receive software training, so you'll have lots of walkthrough videos of how to actually use the software that we use, and you'll be able to do unlimited returns. So a lot of tax prep courses limit you on the amount of returns that you can do. So it'll be unlimited returns if you guys decide to take the course.
yes, so that's absolutely right. Cloud-based software, you can prepare taxes from anywhere, as long as you have internet. I've been in dinner or having dinner and someone called me, hey, can I check on the status of my tax return? And I simply pull it up on my phone. So, it's that simple. What else? Like Irene said, the app is amazing. You can prepare taxes from anywhere. Like if you have a client in one state, if your client's in California and you're in New York, you can prepare their taxes through the app. They can send the documents to you securely. In this day and age, we definitely want to go digital. Like she said, she only had 4 paper files. No need to have all those papers when clients can send you their information electronically.
Save the trees, and it's more secure. Like
Absolutely.
a lot more secure.
Absolutely. And with compliance, you definitely want to have that information. If it's in the software, it's great. You don't have to worry about anyone, stealing it or misplacing it, at your office or wherever. If you have clients that are self-employed. So in addition to filing individual returns, you'll also learn how to file returns that for people who own businesses, self-employed, all that good stuff. So we're excited about this course. If you're ready to add an additional stream of income, definitely click on the link. Go ahead and get started. If you have any questions, contact Irene or contact myself, and we look forward to helping you.
I'm excited. See you guys in class.
Okay.